Hi all, this is Sabari. It's a pleasure to meet you all. In this video, we are quickly going to recall what's the prerequisite for learning Spring Framework. As I've already given a gist of information in my earlier video, we need to have core Java skill. I emphasize and I specifically insist that yes, mandate we should own the core Java knowledge. And specifically if you are coming from Java 8 background, a version called Java 8, then it's going to be pretty easy for us to learn the Spring along with the features of Java 8, because I'll be using Java 8 features intermittently in my demonstration. If not, also no worries, you can quickly upgrade to Java 8 if you're coming from the earlier versions of Java like 5 or 6. You can quickly upgrade yourself to Java 8 as well. I will also advise you that you can gain some knowledge on servlets, or if you're already aware of servlets, then you can recall the learning that you had earlier on servlets technology. At present, it's not required because we are just going to learn about Spring Core, which is one of the fundamental aspect of Spring Framework. So what is a prerequisite for Spring Core is all about core Java. As we go along with the learning more of other areas of Spring Framework like Spring MVC, there indeed we need the knowledge of servlets, which is very important. JSP is optional. I might not be using much of a JSP here, but I'll be talking about servlets frequently. So that's why I'm recommending you that you also have some knowledge on servlet, but at present it's not required for learning Spring Core. So Spring Core is the first part in Spring Framework family that we are going to learn, and also ensure that you gain more of practical skills on core Java. It's not just about learning core Java would be sufficient. You should have gone with some practice, hands-on practice on core Java, so that it will be easy for you to follow up with my upcoming videos on the Spring technology. So that's it in this video. I'll meet you all in the next video. Until, take care. Thank you.